everyone, good morning. My name is May Rasgado from Legazpi City and a fresh graduate from Computer System Institute and took computer programming and currently a member of MMM. So the ideology of MMM. The modern world nowadays. Ang modernong mundo ay masama, hindi patas, hindi pantay-pantay at hindi makatarungan. The world of the money. Ito ay ang mundo ng pera. Kinokontrol tayo kung ano ang nararamdaman, kung ano ang bibilhin, kung paano tayo tratuhin, at kung ano ba tayo talaga dito sa mundo ito. We are still working so hard. Bakit tayo nagpapakahirap magtrabaho? Oo, dahil sa pamilya natin at nang dahil sa pera. Halos araw-araw nangangailangan tayo ng pera. Halos pagalitan tayo ng boss natin pag di tama ang nagawa o pag may mali tayong nagawa. Tapos sa kalaunan or sa huli, hindi tama ang sweldo, hindi sapat sa pinaghirapan natin. Bakit? Dahil sila ang pinapayaman natin. Sila ang may magandang buhay. Sila ang nakakatamasa ng pinaghirapan natin at mas doble pa ang nakukuhang pera. Sabagay, simula pagkabata pa, tinanim na ng ating mga magulang or sa isipan natin nang kailangan natin magtrabaho, magdublikayod para yumaman at makamtan ang gustong pangarap. Subalit sa kalaunan o sa pagtanda, ano ba ang gusto mo? Naitanong mo nila yung isipan. Kumakalam na sikmura, walang maayos na tirahan, at hindi makapag-aral ng maayos. Yun ba ang gusto mo sa mga anak mo? Or, may maayos na tirahan, nakakapag-aral ng maayos, may magandang kinabukasan, at higit sa lahat, masayang pamilya. Yan ba ang gusto mo? So, habang maaga pa, tumayo ka, ipaglaban mo ang matagal natin tinitis na kahirapan. Dapat lahat tayo ay magkapantay-pantay man lamang. Dahil sa isang taong to, binahagi niya sa atin kung ano ba talaga tayo dito sa mundo ito. The founder of MMM, Mr. Sergio Mavrodi. Siya ang founder ng MMM or ng Social Financial Community, having a degree in mathematics and worked part-time in a first operating system. He was a deputy of Russian Parliament. Welcome to MMM Philippines. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid fund. MMM is a social financial network. MMM is a global community of financial aid in the nation exchange. This is a community of people who want to become free. So how does it mean free? Ito po yun yung kung gusto mong maging malaya, kung gusto mong masunod kung ano ang gusto mo talaga sa buhay. So how does it work? People exchange their spare money to improve their well-being. So ano bang spare money? Halimbawa, meron kang pera na hindi mo na kailangan gamitin. So instead na itago mo ito sa drawer or sa bangko, pwede mo ito itulong sa MMM. Then after magtumulong sa MMM, bibigyan ka ng MMM community ng Mavro. Today you help someone, tomorrow someone will help you. Everybody gains from this trustful financial relationship. So, the only thing that MMM demands from its participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it, and you give financial help when able to do it. So, lahat tayo ay pantay-pantay. Dapat tayo maging honest sa isa't isa. So, managers' bonuses. Managers from the community can create their own multi-level structure. So, pwede tayo bumuo ng mas maraming member. And then, this is a multi-level bonus. Because the manager can have his own leader. Pwede din sila maging leader. Manager bonus depends on level in the community. So, the manager bonuses is 5% from the second level manager. The third level is 3%. 1% from the fourth level 0.5% to the 5th level, 0.3% to the 6th level, 0.1% to the 7th level, and 0.05% to the 8th level, 0.03% to the 9th level, and 0.01% to the 10th level. So, advantages. Plus 30% per month for your provided help. So, meron kang 30% pag tumulong ka dito sa Plus 10% referral bonus per help made by your people invited in your friends, relatives, acquaintances. So, for example, kaibigan mo tumulong sa Then, after niya tumulong, meron ka doon na 10% referral bonus. But, take note, hindi galing sa kaibigan mo yung 10% because some members yun makukuha 10%. Hindi mismo yun galing sa kaibigan mo, kundi sa member ng community. Plus, $20 plus $50 to $100 bonuses for first help. So, tumataas po siya to $100. So, 5% bonus per video after get help. So, after you get help in community, pwede ka mag-video and for sharing in the community after you provide help, meron ka makukuhang 5%. So, a lot of bonuses from team. So, example of help, 30% per month. So, example po, amount is $50. In 1 month, in 30% po is equals to $65. In 2 months of 30% is equal to $85. And the 3 months of 30% is equal to $110. And then, example naman, amount is $100. In first month of 30%, you have $130. And the second month of 30%, is $169, and the 3 month is equals to $220. So, how it is possible? Paano nga ba? So, is the same concept like all banks, insurances, companies, pension funds, world currencies like dollars, euro, and peso. People are paid from money collected from other people. Since does not have a physical establishment or safety box, wala tayong nun to maintain, hindi natin yung inaalagaan because nasa account lang natin ang pera natin. And there is no owner or bankers who controls the money. So, sa atin lang yun. The 30% is very cashable. Di ba po ba? 30% is cashable na. So, banks will not give you 30% growth per month because they have to pay the construction of buildings through the banks. They need to hire tellers and securities agencies, and the most important, the bankers will always take his or her share from the people's deposit. Palagi naman yun kinukuha Nataralak sa kanila yon. Information about So, is global and widespread. Thanks to Bitcoin for sharing, nagagamit natin ang Bitcoin sa thanks to Bitcoin again. So, 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community of people in the world. is 100% legal in the whole world. Bakit? Kasi tumutulong lang naman tayo sa mga nangangailangan ng tulong. So, the goals of help all the people in the world. Kailangan natin tulungan ang mga nangangailangan. Spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom. Tama, kailangan natin ibahagi ito sa mga iba pang hindi pa nakakaalam ng Create a new fair financial relationship among people. Sa lahat dapat tayo ay pantay-pantay at honest sa isa't isa. Free people from financial slave. Tama. Dapat, kailangan na natin iwasan ang pagiging alipin sa pera. So, charity events are latest activities in the Philippines. So, marami na po natulungan ng Marami ng activities, marami ng mga bata ang natulungan, especially in Manila, thanks to And MMM featured in newspaper. So, naiilathala na din sa newspaper ang MMM. So, talagang kailangan na natin i-pursue na kailangan natin maiwasan ang financial slavery. Kailangan natin yung iwasan. So, thank you so much. Together, we can change the world. God bless. Again, my name is Mayfa Eresgado from Legazpi City.